Now I like to explain a little bit more about the Superman theory. Okay? What happened with Superman? Superman is a man who came from another planet, Krypton. One of the advantages of Krypton was that the gravity was 400 times stronger, more powerful than the gravity on the Earth. That is why when Superman came to the Earth, for him everything was very easy. It's the same in football. If we can play these positioning games in a very small space, what we are doing is forcing the players to play in a very short distance, and they have to think very quick, they have to have a very good body shape, they have to have a very good accurate control and passing, a good scan. We are forcing them to play football in a very difficult conditions. Then what happens when they have to play in a real game, in a real distances, for them is very easy because they are trained in extreme conditions. That is why if we want to apply the Superman theory in trainings, what we have to do is reduce the space of the field, and from that moment we will start to force the players to train in more extreme conditions. But there is more ways to do that. For example, changing the rules. Usually we play the 4 against 4 plus 3 with 2 touches, that every player can use 2 touches before they can pass the ball. But now imagine that I say, if this player plays 2 touches, the next player only can play 1 touch. It's the rule to 1. After 2 touches, 1 touch. 2 touches, 1 touch. Now he can use 2 touches. Now he only can use 1 touch. If he plays in 1 touch, now he can use 2 touches. That means we force them to think faster and we increase their concentration. But also they really have to scan and have good body shape, because maybe they only have 1 touch to play the ball to the next player. Another way to do the Superman's theory in football is, for example, they only can play with the third man. They have 2 touches, all of them, but now they only can play with the third man. Now that means that if I pass the ball to the joker only can play to another player, but he cannot give the ball back. That is why we are forcing him to have more information, because we are reducing the possibilities to pass the ball to the same player who played the ball to him. Another way to do it, for example, is flouters, jokers, they have 2 touches, and the blue men, they have only 1 touch. Or opposite, blue men 2 touches, and flouters, jokers, only 1 touch. And one of the ways that I like to train the Superman theory in these position games is, what I am doing is, okay, now we start to play with 2 touches. 2 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, 2 touches, 2 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, and maximum 2 touches. Then after 1 minute, maybe I say, rule to 1, and the players already know that they have to play after 2 touches 1, without stopping the drill. And after 1 or 2 minutes, when I feel that they already control the drill, then I say, third man. And now they know that they have 2 touches to play, but they always have to play with the third man, and they never can give the ball back to the same player. That is the way that we like to train the Superman theories in position game, reducing the space of the field and changing the rules to force the players to think faster.